No people, big news. Make sure you drop a like on the video and you comment and you subscribe. Ruel Ried. If Ruel Ried, they think same get way. The prosecutors are say them have a significant percentage of witnesses available. And it seemed like one of the witnesses was a contractor. May I make you hear what the witnesses say allegedly take place and what go sink Ruel Ried. Look and listen.
Ruel Ried, Mr. Ried. Ask Mr. Ried about the company from Miami. What him call about the CCTV camera for the schools them in 2017. Right. And how much money until the company saying want us kickback before he even give the company the contract?
We must call Ruel Ried in front of the class and ask him about the company from 2017 in the United States. And
right.
And how much he asked them. Lord Jesus. Anything goes up?
How much he want to kick back before the company even get the contract?
My God.
Me have the facts, you know. Me have the facts, can't push it out.
My God.
Me have the contract and me have the facts.
Those are serious allegations, you know.
I know allegation, me have the facts.
What are the facts?
I me have the voice note.
You have
me have the voice note with me and him back and forth.
You have the voice note of you and him back and forth?
Exactly.
Now the people must say, Ruel Ried, I got sink, you know. And in friendship with the Prime Minister can help him. As a matter of fact, I make on hear where my attorneys did say when the judge initially ruled. I mean, the judge is same conflicted. I want to know what that it actually really mean. But now that the prosecutors are saying that trial about to start and all who guilty will be prosecuted. Even though, as you know, you are presumed innocent until proven otherwise. But the fact say Ruel Ried resigned right away, was then no longer the Minister of Education right away. It seemed like the guilt was something where even the party at that time, and never during the election time, they never want to be a part of it. But I'm not going to hear when attorneys did say at the time and they will continue to reason. Look and listen.
The rule is rather strange on aspects of the law, because once there was an admission, which the court did, that there was no full disclosure to the parties, then naturally there could be no waiver, because waiver presupposes that you have made full disclosure to the parties. The learned parish judge indicated that he knew at least one of the parties, and when the matter was mentioned on the first occasion. But that is not the issue. He went on to do the case, and I've been given his judgment. He said he was conflicted. No, or a potential conflict, or he was conflicted. Now, once you get into that, it is operating on his mind, and it is his mind that is important, not the defendant's mind. So if he felt that he was conflicted before and while hearing the case, then he ought not to have done the case. So I can't see how the court could have concluded that although the statement was made, it was innocuous. It can't be, because bias is a state of mind, and only the learned judge would have known whether he was able to render an impartial decision based on the fact that he was conflicted. So those are two critical aspects of the case which we think warrant an appeal.
But Mr. Wyman, the judge is saying that you did not object from the beginning. That was when before Mr. Crooks heard the application.
Yes.
He indicated that there could be a possible conflict.
Well, I did not know. I did not know what he was talking about.
You didn't know.
I didn't know what he was talking about.
But you heard the word bias.
No. He didn't say that. When the matter was mentioned, I was representing Mr. Pinnock, not Mr. Ried. So I could not have known that there was an issue between himself and Mr. Ried. My client then was Mr. Pinnock, and we had no issue. So when he said, I remember there were several defendants in the case. These are just two of the several defendants. So we don't know who he was talking about. So we could not have taken an issue at the time. I could not have taken an issue.
Did you have a duty to seek further information?
As far as my client is concerned, my client never had an issue. So I could not have inquired. But that is not the issue here. The issue is having known the party does not disqualify you. What is the disqualifying factor here is the fact that he, at the end of the case, said he was conflicted. And that is a critical point. So we can know each other, but it doesn't preclude you from trying the case. What precludes you from trying the case? If you know that you know the party and you feel that you are conflicted in doing the case, that is the critical point.
Okay, so Mr. Wildman, you'll be appealing, no doubt.
Most definitely.
Can you expound on that?
Yes, we'll be filing a notice of appeal very shortly.
Okay. Your clients are disappointed with this ruling as well?
Naturally, because we think that we have a strong case on the question of apparent bias.
So this trial won't be expedited?
Well, they have to exhaust their legal rights, which they are entitled to.
Now, some people have always questioned, why is it that so much millions always are missing from the Ministry of Education? While in a country like Cuba, I don't know if a free education free hour, but everybody over there can get educated, even get a skill, while them not trade with no country. Or we see that on the Jamaican island when they talk about the economy. Our population on the Jamaican island can't get that level of education. How come? When we traded all of the major trading countries, we are one of the major trading routes for the Caribbean. Or is it that out here all know we can do like over there so and make everybody can get an education? Rise the standard of living for the people. You talk about we need this and we shortage of skilled labours in here and there. How come it's not free for the people and go learn it? Why it's not free? When we hear about how much hundreds of millions of dollars are missing, the money could have paid the teacher them and make tuitions free. The buildings are already there. Think about it, school building already there. All them need to do is maintain. And you know the government, them not build nothing. All them do is renovate, restore. You know for them style. Panunga Kano regional. Much billions spent. You think of something new them a build. No. Restoration. None of it's a historical site or what. But them can't fix nothing. Them can't build nothing new, I should say. All them do is fix things. Until them fix it regular, maybe the statement stands. But the school buildings are already there. All them need to do is maintain them and pay auxiliary staff, pay who need to pay teachers. Same teachers will still complain all now. Yet still millions are go missing on a regular basis. Where the money are spent on? Tell me. The money are going to the ministry. Right, a gold. But where it spent on? Where it really are spent on? Because you tell me it's still extremely expensive to send a youth to school. And without the free, where the matter they say it's free, without the fees where parents have to pay, we don't see how free it really is. On the Jamaican island, an education isn't free. And we did not talk about just bus fare and lunch money. We talk about everything else after that. Everything else after that. If the country was serious about education, you feel like things will go so. Tell the truth. If you believe the country was serious about education, we already have the teachers, all you have to do is pay them. You think the millions of the government tells them allocate the education every time they read the budget, you think it come from when them collect school fee? You think that it come from? For most schools, them actually spend back the money themselves. For many schools, them actually take that money there, spend it back in their school. So where's the money where the ministry is supposed to give them? Something not add up, you know? Something not add up. And sometimes as it is above, so it's below. So if corruption there at top, corruption there at the other level. So if money are rob at the Ministry of Education, best believe money are rob up at the school level. The man will say monkey see, monkey do. And that's how we are take place on the Jamaican island right now. Too much people feel like say, yo, whenever them get a position, I feel them opportunity now to get this whole heap of money and set themselves for life. It's no longer about doing the right thing and doing the job. It's about how much money you can get. Scrape with. Much house you can build and invest, so much Benz you can buy. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me you think. If you're new to the channel, so pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Now, of course, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love, and prosper. And also, as I said before, if you want to stay tuned, like, share, comment, and subscribe. The people must say, Ruel Ried. The case like that. Some people think saying they get way. Maybe even himself they think he get way. Tell me you think I want. Will he still indeed get way? Until the reason again, live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.